Good afternoon and thank you for viewing our Audi Q5 that's just arrived. This one is got the sports pack. It does have your projector and xenon lights as well. You do get front parking sensors, and this car's only travelled 7,000 k's. It is in beautiful condition all round, as you'd expect. Going through inside, you've got full electric driver's seat and passenger, sunroof, and being a quattro, it is a constant all-wheel drive. This one does have heated seats, tri-zone air conditioning as well, and coming through around the back of the vehicle, it is a 45 TSI, full electric rear tailgate, rear child restraints. You do get your LED lighting as well. Just push the button, it can close the boot. Down through the side, it's in excellent condition. Lane departure warning. Also you get your adaptive cruise as well, and so much more. Satellite navigation, which absolutely looks superb on this vehicle. You can change the different displays through here depending on what you would wish to have up. So really nice clear display. 360-degree camera, heated front seats, and is in a perfect condition. We look forward to speaking to you soon.